Welcome back to Mo's Black Gold Barbecue. Do you have an Oklahoma Joe's Bronco, or are you looking to get one? Do you want to know how long one cook can last with full charcoal basket? Well, in this video I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you how to do it, so stick around. Alright, so this is how I have the basket loaded up with charcoal. So I got this Weber cube here that I'm going to be placing right here. Now what's that going to do is that I'm going to light it up, and it's slowly going to start burning till it gets to the other end. So that's going to help for longer cooks, especially when you're doing like 225 or 250. And I would normally place a Weber cube right here in the middle, but that's only for when I'm doing cooks for like maybe less than 5 hours, and after that I'll still have plenty of charcoal left. But in this video, I'm gonna be lighting it up from this. It's gonna go from this way, so that's what I'll do. Just like that. I'm gonna let it go for a little bit, and then I'm gonna place it in the Bronco. All right, let's take a look at what time it is. It's 7:05 right now. So from this time, we're gonna see how long this cook's gonna last on that one charcoal basket. But let me show you what the charcoal looks like inside the Bronco. All right, so that's what the charcoal basket looks like. And with this mesquite wood chunk, I'm gonna be placing directly over the hot spot whenever I put my meat on. And then I'm gonna open up my air intake. I'm gonna leave it at the 2, and then I'm gonna leave this open at the 3. So what's that's gonna help me keep my temps kind of low when it's starting to rise up. I don't want it to get hot in there, but I'm gonna be checking every 3 hours to see how the temp is, see where it's at. Hopefully it'll be holding steady around 250. That's where I want it to be at, and trying to get a long burn cook right there. So stick around, it's gonna be a good video. I'll see you now in the next update. Alright, about an hour has passed, and I'm sitting at 250. It's been around 250 for the last 3 hours, so it's holding up pretty good. See, my other temp probe number 2, I have a chuck roast going on right now. It's sitting at 144, but pretty good. 3 hours so far. I'll get back to you in the next 3 hours. He just ran out from the bushes, and it just stopped right there. It's just there sitting. Maybe it also wants what's inside that Bronco. It's my new smoking buddy. Alright, 6 hours we've been going on with this temp controller here with this Bronco. It's been going pretty good. The temp has been around 248, 250, 252. It did spike up a little bit a while ago because I did open the lid to check the meat that I'm cooking, but it's going down now. So I'll show you what it looks like on my phone. It's at 253. So for 6 hours, it's been pretty good. But you know, we're gonna keep going, see how long this is gonna last. So stick around, stick with me. All right, guys, just want to show you we're 9 hours in. Temps at 248. I don't know if you could tell, but it's 4:00 p.m. right now, 4:05. So this Bronco has been going on since 7:05 in the morning. Been pretty good. Look at that, 248. That's pretty good, pretty good. So we're gonna let it keep going, and you know, see how long it lasts. But I think what I'm gonna do is that if it starts, once it gets below 225, then I'll call it quits. You know, because usually 225 and up is when you smoke or grill. So once it gets below 225, that's when we'll call it, and then we'll see how many hours that is. So stick around. This is what the charcoal looks like after 9 hours and 30 minutes. Looks pretty good. See how long it'll last. Let's see if it'll go over 12 hours. Let's see. 12 hours have passed. 12 hours and this Bronco is still going. It's still going, folks. One full basket of charcoal, Kingsford charcoal, with some wood chunks of Mesquite. Let's check it right here. That's my time right there. It's been 12 hours. And that's my temp right there. Sitting at 1246. 1246. 12 hours. So let's check, see what those charcoal looks like. Look at that. Man, we still got maybe another hour to go. Maybe an hour, hour and a half before it's done. So that's pretty good. And I have my air intake at 2, and also the top smokestack, it's also at 2. But I'm telling you, that is pretty good. Pretty good. Going on 12 hours. So I'll get back to you. Let's see how long it'll go. Like I said, once it gets down below 225, that's when I'm gonna cut it, kill it, and that's when we'll end it. But 12 hours so far. Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. Can't go wrong with that. Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. Can't go wrong. I'll get back to you. Alright guys. Well, it's been 14 hours. Let's see. It's 9:06. 14 hours that the Bronco has been running. 14 hours. So let me take you to the Bronco. Let's see what the temp's at right now. It's sitting at 241. Ain't that something right there? But let's take a look at the briquettes. I'm pretty sure they're dying down already. So that's what they look like. $14 hours. I mean, there's still charcoal there that's going. What it looks like. But I'm gonna let it roll for probably another hour. By then it'll hit 10 o'clock in the evening, and right now I gotta go shower because I got work in the morning. So you know, it's been a long day. The Bronco's been running since 7 in the morning. So I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna shower, and then I'll come back out around 10 and see how everything looks. See how that charcoal, I'm pretty sure that charcoal will be, you know, pretty dead by then. But we'll see you at the 15-hour mark if it's above 225 or below 225. But Bronco's a beast. I'll see you then. Alright, trying to get some light here. 15 hours. 15 hours that this Bronco has been going. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. 15 hours. So let's check where the temp's at right now. It's at 226, as I expected. You know, it's going to be dropping down. So pretty good. That's where I'm having it at 2 on the air intake, and then get some light. 2 at the top smokestack. Alright, now let's see how the charcoal looks, which shouldn't be that much. There's some still in there. I can still see some that, you know, still black, but they got some You know, they're ashed over. But I mean, you know, if you're ever gonna be doing a extended cook, you know, if you're whatever you're cooking is gonna go more than 15 hours, obviously at least at the 14-hour mark you would have already filled up that charcoal basket with more briquettes, because you know this isn't gonna last you, you know, any more hours. It's gonna die out. I mean, it's already at 226, so it's going. It's gonna die out. But there it is, the experiment, the Bronco. I did cook on it, chuck roast. You will see that video on my YouTube channel. But it was a good day, 15 hours. So, you know, if you have that Bronco, you haven't done it yet, do it. If you want to do a long cook like a brisket, beef ribs, whatever it is, you know that you can get 15 hours out of one charcoal basket. Fill it up, place that one Weber cube towards the side, put, you know, if you're going to use wood chunks, put some wood chunks, and just let it burn. It'll burn from one side to the next, and just maintain your temps at where you want it to be. You know, I try to keep it around 250. It would go up, go down, you know. I would kind of watch, let it sit, and then if I wanted to kind of adjust it, if I wanted to temp back to 250. But you know, temps will spike. You know, wood chunks, they light up, charcoal still lighting up. Wind has a factor too. It was pretty windy too, so you know, it's barbecue. But hopefully this helped you out in wanting to do longer cooks on your Bronco. I plan on doing more. So it's 10 after 15 hours, so I'm ready to go to bed, go to work in the morning. So thank you for watching, thank you for sticking with me, and y'all smoke on, everyone. All right, I'm bringing y'all back real quick. It's 10:20 p.m. Let's drop down to 216. This Bronco's a beast. A little over 15 hours, went strong. Get yourself one if you haven't. All right, then I'll let y'all go now. Bye.